ICC. It is the fucking ICC interfering in our private affairs, in the sense that it intrudes into the sovereignty of the other nations. Yan, ano dyan, Marcos, walang ano dyan. I am not in any way dragging him into the picture. Wala. Matagal na yan, ICC na yan. Wala pa siya sa picture, nandiyan na yung ICC na yan. Ganito na lang, if ICC is or wag na lang wag na natin bigyan ng importansya yung ICC. Let me just address the Filipino people for once. If there is anything that